Are your temperature sensor welds not holding up as expected? The TATE PT100 welding machine can resolve these issues and provide you with consistent, high-quality results. Designed for welding PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples, the TATE PT100 features advanced heat regulation that ensures each weld is completed with precision and care. The machine minimizes the risk of overheating or uneven heat distribution, ensuring that the sensors maintain their integrity and high performance. With easy-to-use controls and quick setup, the TATE PT100 is ideal for manufacturers who need to boost production while maintaining superior weld quality. As the trusted source manufacturer, we offer exceptional quality and support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment,